Arms warrior fucking alright, Fury Warrior. I mean, this come up is if we can last the first 10, 15 seconds, then we can win, bro.
So
Alright, this is gonna be fucking crucial.
I think our saving grace here is gonna be that you can just stay stealth until they start in on me, which is gonna have to happen because I just gotta try to make that warrior use his shit real quick. Okay.
If I can bait a counter spell on my it's for bait and interrupts, then we win. I'm just running in.
I gotta make this warrior use his shit. If I don't, then
So who we gonna CC though?
definitely gonna try to
got
kill
me.
that
He
mage.
got me, bro.
I got you. Mage is silenced. Coming for the warrior now. Warrior's blinded. He got rid of his blind. I stunned the warrior. Back on the mage. See if you can get away from that.
I gotta get his on you.
I'm coming for the warrior. Gave him a stun. Shit. I'm locked out. I'm going for the mage. Coming for the warrior.
Cyclone warrior.
Okay. I got... dang, I used my combo points. I'm gonna get a re-stealth though, I think.
Okay.
I've got a re-stealth. This is
Me
nice.
too.
This is nice. I'm going for the mage because he's pretty low, but he's trying to heal up.
If you can go to the left so I can hear you from the top here. I'm gonna stun him when you go. No, I can't stun him. Cyclone warrior. Cyclone warrior.
Okay.
Cyclone warrior again.
Let me get the warrior for a second.
Cyclone mage.
Okay. Mage is trying to heal up over there. I'm gonna go for him real quick if he... Wait, actually, I need to help you.
First blood.
Bad idea, mage. Ah, damn it. I keep using all my combo points. You gotta just say it out loud. My bad, man.
He was casting. I didn't want to
Yeah.
do it off.
It's cool. It doesn't even matter right now, but just because of my combo point system, like if I was a warrior or something, I guess rage too, but you get what I mean. If I just dump my 5 combo points, it sucks.
Killing spree.
Worldwide winner? What?
Yeah, that team. We just had to. The first.
You did it, bro.
bullshit
You did it, bro. I was like, I gotta CC, blind the warrior. He broke it. Good shit, man.